Looking for a safe and organized way to preserve your important photos? Whether you're upgrading your device or simply want to ensure your memories are never lost, backing up your OneDrive photos is a smart step. Here's how to do it effectively on Windows. First, open the File Explorer on your PC. In the navigation pane on the left, click on OneDrive option. Then locate and open the Pictures folder inside your OneDrive directory. This is where your photo files are usually stored if they are synced. Now select the photos that you want to back up. You can use Ctrl+A to select all or hold Ctrl while clicking to specific ones. Right click and choose Copy. Then go to your preferred backup location. This can be another folder or a PC or an external drive. And right click to paste the files. And that's it. Your OneDrive photos are now safely backed up in a separate location. Remember to back up regularly so you never lose your precious moments. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this.